Pottery is the most ancient art of mankind, and perhaps its birthplace is Iran. The first known pottery samples belong to 10,000 years ago, which were created by the people who lived in the Bakhtiari Mountains. Iranian potters generally use two kinds of soil: clay, which exists in most parts of Iran, and kaolin, which is found in some places of Iran, like Azerbaijan, Gonabad, Yazd, Istaban, and Omshay. The mud used for pottery should be soft and should not consist of alkaline materials, plaster particles, and lime. Otherwise, white spots appear after drying, and blister is formed after being cooked. At first, the mud is prepared by kneading, so that no air bubbles remain inside. Besides using the wheel for pottery, various tools and vessels can be handmade. Working with the wheel is one of the most important steps, and the craftsman's skill plays an important role. After producing the objects and vessels with mud, the cooking step begins. Cooked mud is hard and firm, and will not change if it remains for thousands of years under the ground. Archaeologists measure the progress of different civilizations with the degree of their progress in pottery. Objects and vessels made of baked clay are sometimes covered with a layer of leaden or alkaline glaze. The two methods, overglaze and underglaze painting, are used to paint the produced objects. In the underglaze method, after baking the clay for the first time, painting is done with the desired colors, and then all of the exterior and interior surfaces are covered with a colorless glaze. In the overglaze method, painting is done after covering with glaze and cooking.